Hi, and welcome to your Greater Houston Market Update. Did you know Houston's economy added over 86,000 jobs in 2013 and is continuing to grow? In fact, the current 3.1% annual growth rate, which outperforms the state and the nation, helped to push the unemployment rate down to 5.5%. As expected, the healthy economy continues to fuel the strong demand for housing. And rising mortgage interest rates in the fourth quarter did little to dampen home sales. New home inventory remains extremely tight in many areas, resulting in homes selling faster, often within just days. Occupancy levels for rentals hit over 90%, the highest level in over a decade. As a result, rental rates rose over 8%, a trend we expect to continue over the next year. Metro Study has reported that existing homes hit their highest annual sales count ever over the past 4 quarters, and new home closings jumped an incredible 10% compared to the same period in 2012. Overall, with new home inventory low and with sales increasing, prices should continue to rise in 2014. However, if mortgage interest rates continue to increase as they did in the fourth quarter, this will weaken homebuyers' purchasing power and could possibly price them out of the market. So, if you've been thinking about buying a new home or have been waiting for the right time to buy, I've got great news. Now is the time. Now that we've taken a closer look at the Greater Houston market, we invite you to come out to our neighborhood and take a closer look at our designer homes. You can also get more information at home, on your tablet, or your smartphone at villagebuilders.com. That's it for this edition of the Greater Houston Market Update. Now get out there and find your dream home. It's waiting for you.